Yet another solid session on D Street today. So the party, or the post-budget party, I should say, has now continued for a third consecutive day on the trot. We were in fact just 100 odd points shy from that 15,000 mark on the Nifty futures in today's trading session. 14,800 is where we've shut shop for the day, a fresh high for the markets. 50,000 as well on the Sensex too. We managed to breeze past and scale up a fresh high, and today the contribution was large from banks as well as pharmaceuticals. IndusInd Bank was clearly the star performer today. In fact, it managed to soar nearly about 10% intraday today, following a very impressive third quarter numbers. We had the MD and CEO Sumant Katpalia speak to us on the channel, and he said that while there may be a minor slippage in the fourth quarter numbers, the overall profit quality or the book is looking very, very healthy. That is something, of course, that the street liked. Later today, of course, we're going to have Bharti declare its numbers as well, and that is something that the street is only going to react to tomorrow morning. Bharti, remember, is also in focus, not just because of Bharti and Indus Tower, but also in context of what Jio did in terms of their ARPU figures. So A, the ARPU figure is going to be very important from Bharti, and B, of course, after MSCI already indicating that there is going to be a Bharti inclusion in their next revision, that is going to entail perhaps inflows to the tune of about $700 million on Bharti. So that has got the street very excited on what Bharti's performance is going to be. We've already seen Bharti scale up above the 600 rupee per share mark. That said, autos, of course, were the flavor of today's trading session as well. Everything to do with autos was holding out. Tata Motors was another big mover in today's trading session, as was the case with a whole host of other financials like a Sriram Transport Finance, which held out by about a double-digit gain. You also had RBL Bank hold out very, very smartly in today's trading session, as was the case with some of the other names like a Power Grid, Coal India. You had Hindalco, Tata Steel. All these stocks held out very smartly. It was a great day for the broader market universe as well, wherein the breadth held out very smartly too. We had on close a good 99 F&O stocks stand to the advances, with just about 41 to the declines. So on the declining side, although it has to be put in the context that these have been some of the big movers as well of the past few weeks, so that's okay to see some mild bit of red there. A PVR, for instance, was down 3%. Ambuja Cement, Bharat Forge, ACC as well saw some red ticks for itself, about 2% or so. Or for that matter, Lal Path Labs, which was a drag today by about 2% or so. But good texture of the market, it's the PSUs as well, which are making a comeback. Today you had BHEL, PFC, GAIL made some very, very smart moves. PNB as well joined the banking party. That stock as well held up very smartly. So clearly you've got newer names now joining the bandwagon and contributing to the market rally as well. Couldn't have asked for anything more. But we'll catch you with all the trading action tomorrow morning on ET Now at 8 a.m.